Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a TikTok business account for Shopify. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. And then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out business.tiktok.com. And then you will be directed to this website. All right, now the next thing that you are going to do is you have the sign up button or to get started. And then if you already have an account, then you just have to click on the login option. So you're just going to click on the get started option, and then another tab will open. So what we're going to do here is we can actually sign up using our existing TikTok account. Okay, and then after that, you'll be directed to this page since I did it earlier. So I am here now. I'm just going to tell them about my business. So if you are an advertiser, you manage your own business, and you just have to select this one. And then if you are an agency, you manage the business on behalf of your clients or partners, then you choose the other one. Now, for the company website, this one is recommended, of course, the business website or app download URL. And then you just have to type up right here the industry. So, for example, since this one is for Shopify, so you're just going to select e commerce. Okay, and then let's proceed to the cosmetics and personal care. And then just have to select your country or region and then the name of your company. Okay, then the next thing that you're going to do here is to type out your phone number. Okay, so after that one, then you just have to click on confirm. So after that, you will be directed to this section. So here you just have to choose what is your advertising objective. So we have brand awareness, we have sales and lead generation. So since we are on the e-commerce business, so we are going to select the sales option. So we have website conversion and TikTok shop. So if you want to drive sales on our website, so we have to select this one and then click on continue after that. Okay, so right here we have the campaign name and then the optimizational goal. All right. And then after that, we have here the TikTok pixel. So here we can use a TikTok pixel to, this one is a piece of code that we can add to our website or connect a partner account like Shopify to track user actions such as leads and sales. All right, so we can actually click on the get started option. Okay, and then we will be directed to the user setting. Okay, so we have to check our email to copy the verification code. All right, so we have here now our verification code. So all you have to do is to click on the go now option. That's right. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that. So we have two-step verification, but we are going to skip that part for now. Okay, so once you're here, all you have to do is to simply post. Okay, so here we have the publisher and the scheduler. So make sure to select to click on the publisher. And then what you're going to do here is you have to create a business account to access your business suite. And for the scheduler, all right, so the same process. Okay, so let's just go here and then click on the update account option. Okay, so right here, you can ask the business account owner to scan this QR code to approve your request. And then once approved, the account will appear in your account list and you'll be able to give access to your members. Okay, so you have here the steps or the guide. So to scan the codes, you just have to open the TikTok app and tap the profile, then tap add friends, and then tap this negative sign at the top right corner to scan the code. And then note that only business accounts are allowed to be managed by Business Center. And then you just have to go to Profile, Settings and Privacy Account, switch to Business Account, and then make sure to relog into TikTok first. All right, so just going to skip this part. Now let's go to the finance section. Okay, so here on the finance section, we have to set up our billing information. So this information will reflect on our invoice. So for the tax status, we have business. And then, of course, our TIN or the taxpayer identification number. And then we have here our business address, the street address, and then our postal code. And then we can choose here our payment methods. We have manual and automatic. Now, assuming that we are done setting up our TikTok business account, the next thing that we are going to do is to open our Shopify account. Okay, and then here we just have to go to the apps option and click on the add option, and then click on the Shopify App Store. So using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for TikTok. All right. Okay, so after that, you're just going to select this one, and then just click on the install option. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and then click on the install option once again, and then you have to sign in with your TikTok business account credentials. Okay, you have to take note of that, and then just have to follow the setup wizard to connect your TikTok ads manager and your TikTok pixel to your Shopify store. Okay, so since we already have here now our TikTok app, so just click on the setup now option. Okay, so for our TikTok for business, you're just going to click on the connect option. That's right, and then we're just going to log in with TikTok. Okay, and then click on continue after that, and just make sure that you are also logged in to your TikTok using the same web browser. Okay, and then click on connect. That's right, so since we already have this TikTok account right here, so click on the connect option. All right, so we already have for our account contract pending, so we just have to wait until they approve this one. And also, you have to take note that some steps may require approval from TikTok before you can continue. And that is what you can see right here. But of course, if your TikTok account has been approved, so the next thing that you are going to do is to start promoting your Shopify product. So in the TikTok Shopify app, you just have to go and create your campaign. Okay, so if your account is already approved, then you can now start creating your campaign. All right, so we can also sync our product statuses right here, and then just have it to select your products and your target audience. You can set your budget and ad duration. You can upload your ad creatives, videos, captions, and etc. And then you just have to review and launch your ad campaign. And then we also have optional tips. So you can switch your TikTok mobile app to business account. And then you can also add Shopify store links to your TikTok bio for direct traffic. And you can also use the TikTok Ads Manager to track performance and conversions. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.